Prosim, pomagajte v Bogu.
A mi lahko kaj daste?
Dajte, če lahko.
Kaj malo?
Nekaj nam dajte, no. Prosim, pomagajte.
Ej, kaj se dogaja? Zakaj gre?
Jezus iz Nazareta gre mimo.
Jezus! Jezus! Davidov sin, usmili se me!
Kaj hočeš, da ti storim?
Gospod, da bi spregledal.
Spreglej. Tvoja vera te je rešila.
Vidim.
Slavite Gospoda! Vidim! Vidim!
It hath been said, an eye for an eye, and a tooth for a tooth. But I say unto you that ye resist not evil. Son, thy sins be forgiven thee.
Why does this man thus speak blasphemies? Who can forgive sins but God only?
Why reason ye these things in your hearts? Whether is it easier to say to the sick of the palsy, thy sins be forgiven thee, or to say, arise, and take up thy bed and walk? But that ye may know that the Son of Man hath power on earth to forgive sins, I say unto thee, arise, and take up thy bed, and go thy way into thine house. Who touched my clothes?
Thou seest the multitude thronging thee, and sayest thou, who touched me?
Master. have suffered an issue of blood for 12 years. And I knew if I could just touch thy clothes, that I would be whole.
Daughter, thy faith hath made thee whole. Go in peace, and be whole of thy plague. Wilt thou be made whole?
Sir, I have no man, when the water is troubled, to put me into the pool. But while I am coming, another steppeth down before me.
Rise. Take up thy bed and walk.
It is the Sabbath day. It is not lawful for thee to carry thy bed.
He that made me whole, the same said unto me, Take up thy bed and walk.
What man is that which saith unto thee, Take up thy bed and walk?